What's up everybody, I hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes I will do a price prediction but also a price analysis mainly on the Cartesi cryptocurrency. This is going to be a semi-long-term prediction, I think. We are also looking at the daily time frame on Binance. Binance has the most volume of Cartesi traded, so I figured that was the most reliable. Alright. Let me just put some things into place. Yeah, so to be honest, this cryptocurrency, its price is moving quite weird. A lot of weird wicks, as you can see. Here they're all very long wicks, which happens more on the daily time frame, but to be honest, with this crypto it happens way more. So I mean that could be a lot of things. It could just be that a lot of people trade this coin. It could just be pure luck. It could be me mistaking this in the analysis. It could also be a little bit of manipulation, to be honest. So we are taking that into account, that we could have some bigger wicks, and yeah, that's basically it. So the price has found resistance at 0.96. Yeah, 0.96 really, and together with all cryptos it went down, but before that it had shown quite some bullish momentum and some bullish moves. The EMAs are showing us a small downtrend, or a small uptrend, sorry, and this trend line is holding quite well too. So I do think there is more upside to this crypto. Right now the current state of the market is not too favorable, I think, but still, in times where others are fearful, you should be greedy. So I do think that the price will retrace a little bit more, but I think eventually at 0.65, so 65 cents, I think that would be a great buy area. I think it would find support at that level, but it could actually also drop down a little bit to 0.58. So if you want to get in this crypto and you suffer from FOMO a lot, I would suggest getting in at 65 cents. And if you don't care about FOMO, if you want a better entry with the chance of you missing the entry, I think this 58 cents level would be more. That's a very strong support level, together with the 200 EMA, which is quite strong too. I do not think the body will close below this. I really think this is the lowest area Cartesi could get to. And from there on out, I mean, it might take a while. It might start with a slow uptrend, or it could just be one big move up, as we've seen here, but also here. I think we can reach this resistance, this 96 cents area again, and what happens after that kind of depends on the price action before it, because it could go straight through, to be honest. That happens more often with cryptos. It just goes straight through and it finds a retest, but it could also just find resistance again and go into this and stay into this small, yeah, I wouldn't call it consolidation, but this small range up kind of. So both of those things can happen. It could also just retrace a little and maybe find some resistance at 0.80 cents. And then go up from there. I think that is the most likely thing to happen, but for that to happen it does need to retrace a little bit more, because I do think these two support areas can give it more bullish momentum, which I think is really needed. So if the price from where it is right now would reach this area, I think the pullback from this 96 cents area would be much bigger, to be honest. Yeah, as I said, I don't see it dropping lower than this 57.30 level, but I do want to remind you that this is just my opinion, my technical analysis, and this is only technical analysis. I mean, bad news could always make it shoot through all the support levels there are, and good news could also shoot it up to the moon, to be honest. So that's basically how it is with cryptos. This is purely technical analysis. This is not financial advice, and you should know that and be aware of that. So having said that, I think this is the most likely scenario for the Cartesi cryptocurrency. If you have any questions about this analysis, this prediction, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you on my next videos. Bye!